Okay, today I'm going to be unboxing the AoChunag V6 5x5 dual track version. The reason I'm doing the dual track instead of doing triple track is because, from what I've heard, the dual track is better. So, we're going to just be giving it a go. Okay. Bit of a damaged accessory box, but okay. Just a screwdriver. Okay, so off first impressions, it looks like it's smaller. Oh, looks like it's smaller than the GAN. Which I think is probably good because the GAN felt pretty big. That's nice. So this cube does have a ball core, I'm pretty sure, and it has obviously the normal magnets, and it's UV coated, which is nice. That's a very strange looking centerpiece design. Just a normal screw tensioning system. Nothing too surprising there. Get that back in. There. It feels like almost ready to go straight out of the box. It does do this 5x5 lockup. You do kind of have to really try and do it, otherwise it won't turn or it will corner cut. This is a very interesting cube. Let's see. Yeah, so the GAN is noticeably bigger. Maybe just a millimeter or two, but it's very noticeable feeling. Actually looks like the outer layers are the same size. The inner layers then are thinner. Yeah, look at that. Okay, to set the cube up, I think I'm going to just tension it. I think I'll make it a little bit looser. Then I will also be lubing it with some dash and some weight 5. Let's get it tensioned first. Okay, for the lube setup, we can take these pieces out. And I'm gonna put weight 5 in here. So, want to get it on the tracks of the pieces. This is gonna help control the cube and slow it down a little bit. Make sure you get it on both sides. Low down on the piece. You can also set this down, just there. Put it in here on the stem of the corner. Not too much, just a little bit. That is all the way 5 that we're going to use. We're now going to pop these pieces back in. And then we're just going to break that in. Okay, now the cube feels very stable. But the very outer layers It's still a bit too fast. The inner layers are really good now. So I'm actually not going to touch these. These outer layers. Are just a bit too fast. So we're going to go with some dash, which is a very happy medium lube, which will make it a bit more controllable. And it'll kind of just do whatever you want. It's kind of magic. It's meant to speed up your cube a little bit, but I find it's best if you just don't like the feel of the cube. We're going to go 2 drops on the outside. And that's it. The cap back on. And plug this in. And now the cube is set up. This cube is very nice and is definitely main worthy. The main problem I had with the GAN 5x5 is the occasional catching, which would just completely throw off the flow of a solve. And this cube fixes that problem fully. The cube is very fast and it highly resembles the AoChunag V6 4x4. So if you already have that, you should probably consider getting this 5x5 as a new main, because they're very similar feeling and how they act. Even if you're turning badly, they act very similarly. The cube is available on KewbzIE, and the link will be in the description. If you have any comments, please leave them down below and I will respond to them. Any questions, anything. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.